Let me share one common CSS trick here that you may know or may not know. We have two divs here with flex main1 and flex main2 with same styling. Display flex, gap 10 pixels and justify content center to center them. Now the trick is, let's say we use a property here called flex direction as column. So flex direction column doesn't work with justify content center to center the items because you see it's not in the center. We can use it in row like flex direction row. So let me add row here, flex direction row. It will work. It is the default like property for this. So we can use justify content center with flex direction row, but we cannot use this as column with the center because why? See, this arrangement has been changed in vertical manner. That's why it's not working. So in this case, we can simply use another property called this. Let me write it here, which is align items center. Now, if you check this, it will work. We will have these three ABC in the center because the arrangement is now vertical wise. That's why we are using this, and this centers the element vertical in vertical manner. That's why it works. So that was the property or the trick that I wanted to show you. You can like the video, subscribe to this channel, and share to increase the reach of my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.